I'm going to steal Meow Gummy Bear Jr. single quote as lunch. Hi 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 hi.
Boy, I'm so hungry. Time to eat. Come to Meow Gummy Bear Jr. Oh no you don't. Strawberry evil gummy bear. How dare you try to steal my lunch? That's it. I'm telling Ms. Green.
No 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 no.
Strawberry evil gummy bear, how dare you try to steal Meow Gummy Bear Jr. single quote as lunch? You know it's just plain wrong to steal. That's it. You have detention for 5 hours. Go to detention right now.
Welcome to detention. There will be no talking, no food or drinks, no sleeping, no chewing gum, no using a computer, no music, no electronic devices, no whistling, and no nothing. You will stay here for 5 hours.
5 hours of detention later, and when Strawberry Evil Gummy Bear got home from school.
Strawberry Evil Gummy Bear. I can't believe you tried to steal Meow Gummy Bear Jr.'s lunch and got a 5-hour detention. That's it. You're grounded for 3 weeks. Go upstairs to your room now.